Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with new opportunity and this is from Azerbaijan. It's a fully funded scholarship from Azerbaijan government and it's for the session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss about this fully funded scholarship and opportunity in Azerbaijan and we'll show you how to apply for this and where to click and how to fill the application form. Before doing that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching our videos previously but have not subscribed yet. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video as it encourages us and we do more for you. Please press the bell notification icon and to receive the exclusive videos tomorrow. You can get this Azerbaijan scholarship link from the video description below. Click on the link in the video description, it's mentioned there. Click on that link and it will take you to our website here. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships and link is also given in Instagram bio, or you can just write us a message on Instagram and we will send you the link. You can also comment down the below video and we will answer your queries if you have any regarding documents or any other steps mentioned in any of our videos. All of the videos posted on our YouTube channel have their respective links in their respective descriptions. You can click on the link in the video description and it will take you to the website similar as it appears in this website. Once you land on this page, you can read details on your own and it's mentioned here. So here are some basic details about Azerbaijan Government Scholarship. The country is Azerbaijan and the course level that will be covered under this scholarship are undergraduate, masters and doctoral courses. So PhD will be also covered under this and financial coverage is fully funded. Deadline for this opportunity is 1st of the April 2022. So you have almost 4 months left to apply for this particular scholarship. Here are also financial benefits mentioned and list of scholarship list of countries and the university list in the country and eligibility criteria. Eligible countries are also mentioned, so you have to check if your country is mentioned in the NEM or OIC regions. So you can check the selection process. There will be a Skype interview, just a formality, and here are the required documents, simply as the passport photograph, and you can check. Proof of English is not mandatory, so if you don't have IELTS and certifications, you can skip that and you can apply without that. Now at the end there is how to apply section, and now there is an apply now button given in the yellow color. Before we click on this apply now, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch video fully so that you cannot find any difficulty in applying to this Azerbaijan scholarship. Now click on this apply now button here. Once you click on that apply now button, it will take you to the Azerbaijan Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. Here you can check admission announcement for scholarship program for citizens of OIC and NEM member countries 2022. Every detail is mentioned here. Scholarship coverage, submission of application, every detail is mentioned here. Now when you come to the part of this application and other material, here you can check call for application. You can read on the details how to go for this particular scholarship, and there are guidelines for international students to how to fill the application, how to do the steps, and here is the list of participating universities, so you can check which university is participating in this. If you can check the QS ranking of the universities in this Azerbaijan country, you can then apply accordingly to that university, particularly having the higher rankings in the world rank. Then you can check frequently asked questions, and the general application form is mentioned here. Now I will open that and you also click on this general application form so that you can see the application form and then how to fill it. So here are the instructions for submitting the application form. I'm also opening this link in the new tab as we can see that. So now the general application form it is here. So you can check personal details. You have to enter the first name, surname, gender, marital status, date of birth, citizenship, passport number, passport expiry date. Then you have to paste a photograph here. So you have to fill it in the word. So let me show you this application form in the thoroughly view, and it's in the PDF. Now let's go to the instructions first. Here are the instructions how to fill the application using Adobe Acrobat. So you have to use the Adobe software. Then click on the tools here in mentioned in the arrow. Then you have to add a text here. Click on this. It's mentioned completely in this PDF. So you have to follow these steps and add an image. You have to you don't have to use the pen to write this application form. All you have to do is just write in the Adobe and fill the text by using the laptop or your PC. Then also add the image in this section here. So once you fill that form, This is the form that you have to fill in the Adobe Acrobat. So you can add text, photographs, every detail mentioned here, and you have to answer all the questions, statement of purpose, referees, and checklist. Then you have to print this application form and sign it, and then mention the date also. So how will you submit this application form? That's also mentioned here. So you have to contact any of the higher education commission in your country and send them. They will also forward this to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Similarly, you can follow this. You can send your application to this scholars at the rate of mfa.gov.az, and you can ask them if your country has a specific method to submit the application. However, you can just submit to the Azerbaijan embassy in your country or your country higher education commission. You have to forward them the application in the mail. So they might have the notification on their websites in your country. So you have to check your country's higher education commission. For example, in India, it's MHRD or UGC. You can check their notifications if it's on there. And similarly, in the other Asian countries, it's higher education commission, and all African countries have also the higher education commission. So you have to check your higher education commission website. They might have the notifications displayed on their notification tabs. Check that notification, and they will be mentioning the email to send this Azerbaijan application form to them. If you can't find that, you can just send it to this email mentioned at the end, and you can ask them. If you have any doubts, you can just check the guidelines, frequently asked questions, and every detail is mentioned here. If you still have any doubt in filling this application, how to paste the photograph here, or any doubt in the document section, you can just comment down below the video and message us on Instagram. But do remember that before messaging and comment down the video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you like this video. I am signing off for full scholarships. Please subscribe. Have a nice day ahead.